Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate everybody for stopping by again. If you are new, I appreciate you for coming and checking me out. So today we are actually going to get some more work done on this. For those of you who are not familiar, this is my '89 Mustang GT. I recently purchased this with the intent on making a decent driver out of it. I'm not going as far as turn it to a show car or anything like that, but I just want a fun driver to drive around and do hood rat shit with my friends. So far I've got the engine and transmission taken out of it. Front suspension's off, as you can see. I got the strut towers repaired. They were pretty bad. I've definitely seen worse, but those are fixed now. And now today we're just going to continue on. I have to strip all the old paint out of the engine compartment. There's some rust scale that I need to get rid of. We need to do some rust inhibitor work and start getting this thing ready for color. Today I would like to get the outer fender aprons taken care of, just stripped down, and I got some rust inhibitor I'm going to use on a lot of the seams and everything, and then we're going to prime and paint those if I'm lucky today. The inside I would like to start cleaning that up too. I got to remove the speedometer cable. I need to remove the throttle cable, and then we'll probably do some more rust inhibiting work in here and inside of the cowl bucket. And that's probably what I plan on getting done today. We'll see if I actually get all that done. I have a lot to do. I still got to do a scrap run. All the old parts that came off this thing, I placed them on Marketplace. Somebody bought the front spindles. Nobody's chewing on anything else, so to the scrapyard it goes, and I'm doing that today. So I've got a lot of stuff I got to get done. So I appreciate you guys for coming along. It's going to be a busy day, busy day. So we'll get this started. Hey, if you could just do me a quick favor. I mean, it's super simple, it's free, doesn't cost you any money whatsoever. There is a subscribe button down there. It would mean the world to me if you would just hit that button for me. That'd be fantastic. Cool, all right, so it's supposed to be 94 today, so let's see if we can get a heat stroke. So this is where we are going to start. I'm going to take the wire wheel and I'm going to go to town on this fender apron here. And once we get that cleaned up, we'll move on to the other side, and then we'll start on the engine compartment. I may kind of bounce back and forth a little bit, and then I'm going to start putting down some rust inhibitor, and then we'll let that dry, and then we'll kind of go from there. So I'm going to start a time lapse now, and I will see you guys once we get something accomplished. We'll see. so I did get the driver's side more or less roughed in. So since the driver's side is more or less roughed in, I need to go ahead and focus on the firewall. I am not looking forward to it. I've got a wire wheel that I'm going to put on the grinder, and then I'm going to get this firewall kind of roughed out. So I need to remove as much paint as I can, because whoever painted this last time just sprayed over the old paint with no prep whatsoever. So I got to take this wire wheel and see if I can get this paint off. So that's what I'm going to start now, and we're going to kind of go from there. So as you can see, it's getting there. I think I'm tired of filming the engine compartment at this point. So, you know, when it comes to this engine compartment, I'm bored. I'm bored filming it. I'm bored doing it. So I'm just gonna knock this out to the best of my ability here. Not really concentrate on filming or anything like that. And once we're done with that, or you know, once I'm done, I'm gonna move on to something else. Now, the ADD in me wants to move on to something else immediately. But if I do that, I will never get this done. So I have to get it done before I move on. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the engine compartment done, and then I gotta pull the doors because I've got some crazy rust in the door jambs and the front door jambs. So I'm gonna pull the doors off. That'll be a video where I'm cleaning up both of those door jambs on either side. And then I'll think of something else to do. I mean, come on, I mean, I don't know how many videos we're in now. But there's gonna be a lot of videos on this car, so that's the whole point. I'm seeing if it's possible to base a YouTube channel around one vehicle. And we'll see what happens. Well, anyways, I'm gonna get this done, and I will see you guys on the next video. We'll play again, eventually. Eventually we'll play again.